And now we're going to clutch in. Ooh. I did it, boys. I've joined the manual club. Definitely didn't almost forget the clutch in there. Did you hear that smooth ass start? What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We've been MIA for a while because your boy just got straight effing A's in school. Very proud. I understand for some that's not an accomplishment, but for me it is. So we're back. Elephant in the room. Mia is a manual. So that's what's up. I'm engaged. Please keep going. Yes. Yes, and I am learning on a new clutch. And it's very, it's quite loud, yes. It's got torque. So yeah, so Mia is officially a manual. I have joined the club, per the BMW gods. And so yeah, sorry I've been away. I've been very busy with school. I had some things I had to work out, not socially, as I said last time I made a video like this. I'm always honest with you guys. I did a video with someone and they were commenting on my equipment and stuff, and I decided I needed Bluetooth, not now. And I decided I need to make change. So I leveraged what I This is fine. This is fine. So I am still learning. I decided I need to leverage my abilities to upgrade my equipment as I could. So I've been working really hard on making that happen, and so that's kind of why I've been quiet. It's taken a lot of concentration. And in the midst of that, I've also been focusing on school. You've probably heard some of the noise, and I've probably made a smart comment about it already. And that is because I went with race transmission mounts, and I deeply regret. I regret everything. This car wants to rattle itself in pieces. It will be very loud on the highway. So yeah, I focused on those things, and so I have new equipment, so I'm ready to be putting out more videos. And I know I made a video about this where I was like, I'm gonna put out more videos, and I don't think I actually did it that time. I already have 5 videos sitting in my video manager, ready to just be made public. So you guys will have content. I'm working on a couple other projects in the meantime. I wanna get us into a regular schedule where every week we do a video. Yeah, see, it's it's a little loud. I want to get us on a schedule where every week we're doing a video. Every couple weeks, I want to be doing some showcase videos, like what I did with Adam's F80 and Eric's Z4M and his Porsche. I want to be doing videos like that. So that wasn't rough. I am a bit of a BMW fanboy. I'm not going to pretend otherwise. I really like a lot of BMW's offerings, but I haven't driven or got to experience a lot of other offerings. So if you don't have BMWs and you'd like your car to be shown on this channel, I'd love to do that, but I'd also love to do a video of just you and me sitting in your car and you explaining why you like this car over any other car. And that'll kind of hopefully help some other people that are fanboys of their own companies to realize, you know, other companies are putting out good offerings. I went to the Los Angeles Auto Show and it really opened my mind. I really liked the new Volkswagen Golf GTI. That was actually pretty fun and nimble for a modern car. I drove the Jaguar F-Type, which was an absolute hoot. And I drove the Slingshot, that car with 2 wheels in the front, 1 wheel in the back. That was interesting, but it was a stick, and boy, I just went to town on that thing. I actually drove that stick better than this stick. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know I am back. And yeah, those race transmission mounts are definitely an issue for noise, daily drivability. That's average load in 6th gear. So, needless to say, new bushings have already been ordered. Anyways, so yeah, weekly videos are coming. If you want your car showcased on this channel, do send me an email at this email, or message me on this Instagram, or tweet me at this Twitter. You know, whatever works, I'll put them all right here. Shoot me a message anywhere. If you want photos of your car too, I'd love to. I wanted to start doing photo tutorials. I talked about it a while back, and if I don't have videos on anything else, I will be going out and doing videos. If there's some photos on some videos on how to do photos. So if there's some photos out there that you want to know how to do, message me on Twitter or Instagram and send me the photos you want me to attempt to mimic, and together we'll all get together and try to mimic the photos. So yeah, that's all. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, and for those of you that have been loyal and who have stayed with me, you guys are joining me on this adventure of learning stick on a whole new car and learning how much I hate these transmissions, these transmission bushings. But boy, is the car such a hoot. The DME is still in automatic mode, so if you floor it and you clutch out, it'll kind of keep revving for you. Especially not fun with spirited driving. So when I did that shift onto the highway, I let off before I clutched out and it kept going. I also do not have cruise control. So there are some adjustments that need to be made. But thank you guys so much again for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the videos that'll be coming. 2020 is the year for this channel to shine, and I can't wait to take it there. Love you all so much, and I will keep you guys posted with updates with the channel and stuff with every new video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will catch you guys next time. Later.